Hello guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can sign up for your Snapchat. So first of all, you need to have the Snapchat app installed. If you don't have the app, you can install it from the Play Store or the App Store. So open the Snapchat app and then click on the sign up option. Then Snapchat asks your name, so enter your first name and last name too. Then click on the sign up and accept option, and Snapchat asks you your birthday, so enter your birth date and click on continue. So Snapchat will give you an username. You can also change your username if you want, but you need to make sure that the username is available. So my username is available. Then click on the continue button, and now you need to set a password. Your password should be at least 8 characters. So create a password for your account. Then click on the continue option. Then Snapchat asks you your email, or you can also sign up with your phone instead. Enter your phone or your email address. I am entering my email address. Then click on the continue option. Then Snapchat asks you your mobile number, or you can also skip this process by clicking on the skip option on the top right of your screen. So I am skipping this option. If you are entering your number, enter your number and click on the continue button to proceed. Then click on the continue option, and Snapchat is requesting for access to your contacts. So if you want to enable that, you can click on OK, or you can also not allow the access to your contacts. So I am allowing my access to contacts, so click on OK. Then a page is displayed where Snap's address in your contacts are shown, so you can add any of them, or you can also skip this process. I am skipping this for instance. Then you need to create your Bitmoji, which is like a profile picture for a Snapchat. So you can create it with your camera too. So I am skipping this step. If you guys want to know how to create your Bitmoji on Snapchat, you can check my other videos. And now this is how you have successfully created your Snapchat account. So that's all for this video guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel for other informational updates.